In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find records in Airtable with Zapier automation. To begin, open Zapier and make sure you are on the main home area. This is where you can access your automation tools, recent activity, and the shortcuts you will use to get into your Zaps. If you have multiple workspaces, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one, because the Zap list can change depending on the workspace you are viewing. Next, click the highlighted area on the home screen. This is simply moving your focus into the navigation where Zapier keeps your automation projects. From there, select Zaps. This takes you to the section where all of your existing Zaps are listed and where you can search for a specific automation you want to edit. Once you are on the Zaps page, click into the search field and type your keyword, which in this case is highlight. Typing in the search bar helps you quickly filter down your list, especially if you have many automations. As you type, Zapier will narrow the results to anything that matches your text. After you search, open the Zap you want to work with, so you can edit it. In the editor, you will see a message indicating that Airtable is available and that you have a couple of options to find records. This is important because Zapier supports different Airtable actions, and finding a record is commonly used to look up an existing row before you decide to create a new one or update something that is already there. This helps prevent duplicates and keeps your Airtable base clean. Now type highlight again in the appropriate field in the editor, matching the instructions you are following. Be careful to type the value consistently each time since searches and filters rely on exact text. If you are mapping data from a previous step, also make sure the correct field is selected so Zapier searches the right Airtable column. Finally, wait for the loading indicator to finish. Zapier may take a moment to retrieve matching records or populate suggestions. Let it complete before you click away, so the results load properly and your configuration stays saved. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.